Just like we have the writing category, we also have something called as reading category in WordPress. So let's explore that. What exactly is reading category? It helps you set up your pages. How do you want to have your pages set? Now, since WordPress by default is a blogging platform, it will always show your latest post on the home page. So let's say if I visit the home page, it is showing my latest post. Currently there is only one post which is there, which is hello world, so it's showing me that. However, when we keep adding the post, it will keep showing the posts in here on the home page itself. Now I have an option. So let's say if I'm a business website, I'm creating a business website, I definitely do not want the home page to be added with all my blog post articles. I would want a static page to be displayed on the home page. So for the purpose of demo, what I will do is I will just select the home page, the static page as sample page. So the sample page will be displayed on the home page. And for the post page, I will have to add one more page and I will call that page as a blog post, or I'll call that page as a blog page. So when I go to the pages, I add new page and I'll call this page as a blog, and I will just simply publish it. So I'll not make any changes with regards to content on this page, because this page will automatically pull up all the blog articles which have been mentioned in the post section. Now I'll go here, I'll just select from the drop down. It's not visible there. I'll have to refresh this page to make sure it is visible there. Since I have not saved my setting, everything is reset again. I'll click on a static page and I'll select a sample page as my home page and the blog page as the post page. Now blog page show at most how many posts. So here there is a limit of number of posts that I want to show. Syndication feeds show the most recent 10 items. So this is mainly for the feed which is there, the RSS feed which is there. So we'll just keep it 10 by default. For each post in the feed, include full text or summary. So here it is an option whether you want to show the entire article on the consolidated page, or you just want to show the summary. Since currently we just have a small blog post, this would definitely not show any different significant difference. However, I would recommend it to be a summary, because if you have written a 1000 word article, you do want the user to go through one entire article on the blog page itself. Maybe they can just read the summary of it and decide whether they want to read the entire article or not. Next, search engine visibility. Discourage search engines from indexing this website. In fact, by indexing, it means that Google crawls the website and fetches all the data and keeps it in their servers, on their database. If I select this option, Google crawlers will not fetch data from this website. Currently, I will check this check this option, because I'm working on a test website and I do not want the cafinal.org website search engine results to be affected by the test website that we are creating right now. However, when you are making your live website, make sure you uncheck this option. If you check this option, Google will not display your website on the search results, and it's not going to be a very good way. I've seen clients who complain that their website is not visible in the search engines, and eventually when we just check the settings, the option is checked here. So we have to always make sure the option is unchecked. I repeat, I'm checking this option because I don't want people to Google to show this website in the search results, as it's just a demo website that we are working on. Next, I'll just save these changes. Now, as I save this changes again, when I just refresh this thing, I'll get the sample page on the home page. If you see the URL cafinal.org, just I've got a sample page in here, and the blog page is not added in the menu yet. So as we have done earlier, what I'll do is I'll just go to the menus and I'll add the blog page in there so that it's easy to navigate there. So I'll just add the blog page, and I'll just remove the uncategorized and the other pages which I've added, and search on Google, let it be there, and I can have this thing as there, and I'll just save this thing. Okay, now when I go back to the website and I refresh, I can see the link of blog. When I click on that, I'll be able to see all the blog post articles which are published on the post. This is always recommended for business websites. They don't want to, bombard all the blog post articles on their homepage. They should have a static homepage and have a blog page in a separate menu tab as something like slash blog.